What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I'm about to go head to my job right now and finally start taking the motor apart. I hope you guys are liking this LSZ build, and I can't wait to show you guys when it's done. Alright guys, so I just got the motor on the stand. I'm about to start disassembling it. Alright guys, so right now I just got the intake manifold off. Gonna keep on working. Alright guys, so far I took off the headers, the intake manifold, the fan, and the crankshaft pulley. Now I'm about to remove this, take off the wire harness, and I'll see you guys when I'm done. Alright guys, so I got a lot done. Got everything pulled off that I needed to. Got the intake manifold, fan, water pump, fan clutch. Got the lifters over here. Got the headers and the harness over here. I got the valve covers over here. I got the heads, the valve springs. There's the other valve cover. I got the lifter trays and the front cover and the valley cover. Gonna get ready and go put these parts in the parts washer, get it all nice and clean. That's pretty much it for today. Got a lot done. Stoked. I have the camshaft over here, and I have the push rods. Got them all labeled, so I know where they go. Crankshaft, pull it. Got a lot done. Motor looks really good. Pretty stoked on that. Can't really see, but looks good. Now we're just gonna go put the parts in the parts washer. I'm gonna go home, start ordering the parts, and yeah, slowly but surely getting this thing done. This thing's gonna be awesome. Alright guys, I'll see you when I go put the parts in the parts washer. Alright guys, I got the parts in the parts washer. Here are the heads. There's the valley cover. And over here I have the valve covers and the front cover. Alright, so after like 3 or 4 times of the parts being in the parts washer, it's the best I can get it. Looks a lot better than before though, that's for sure. I did order a lot of parts, now we're just waiting for the parts. Then we can start throwing this thing back together. This thing was really gunky before. I don't know if you guys remember, or if I showed it. I'm gonna go home now and I'm gonna let you guys know everything that I ordered. It's getting kind of late. See you guys at my house. Alright guys, I just got home now and I can finally tell you guys what I've ordered so far. I ordered the PAC 1218 1200 series LS Performance drop-in valve springs. I ordered a Texas Speed Torquer V2 camshaft, a Terminator X LS1 MPFI kit, which is basically going to be the harness that I'm going to be running. I also ordered a 92mm throttle body by G+, and a Coilstar, I believe it's called. I don't really know how to say their name. 92mm throttle body spacer adapter. I ordered EV1 to EV6 fuel injector connector adapter. I ordered Snake Eater 1000cc injectors, which are E85 compatible. Yes, I am going to be running E85. And I also ordered LS7 lifters and LS7 lifter trays, along with all the gaskets I need. I'm still looking for an LS6 manifold, and I'm still debating if I'm going to get a Holley fuel rail or if I'm going to get a cheap eBay fuel rail. I'm still debating on that. That's pretty much everything I ordered so far. I'm still looking for a bunch of parts, like I said. We're waiting for all these parts to come in so we can start reassembling the motor. That pretty much sums up my video for today, guys. Remember to leave a like and remember to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.